China Clean Expo. VIGO. This is the hall of N3. N3. Let's go to the N2. It's near each other. So we have to keep everywhere clean. The houses, the roads, the villages, so we need a lot of clean facilities. Clean equipment, accessories, environmental sanitation, high pressure clean. Comet, EOMET. This guy's clean the glass. Let's go to the Hall 1. Clean equipment and technology. There are more international companies since N1 is adjacent to the subway station. The big ones are normally here. Ice Cubatics, 超薄 Easy handle. Clean Will. Brood. That one's name is very special. Brood. Rubbermaid. Commercial products. Let's check them roughly. 超薄 Wellland 南博 天能 扬子 Yeah, we can't find a lot of international ones. Anyway, it's nice to know some big ones. 扬子 New made from Guangdong. Change plus 1 E. Change E. Net. Jiannuo from 浙江 好思美 HLM 好思美 is a long one here. They've got a lot of mops and towels, clean towels, Fisk. From Denmark. Clean wheel. 杰诺. Okay, let's exit. More people are coming. There's an exhibitor list. Okay, the holding time of this fair is slated 3rd March to 2nd April 2027. See you in 2023. It's really jubilant. Everyone's great. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your time. China Clean Expo. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time. See you in 2027. Bye-bye.